Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good evening. And before we start our class, let me check your attendance first. Is there anyone who doesn't come today? I hope everyone is coming okay and stay healthy. Okay. Before we start our studying, let's pray together. Begin. Finish. Today we are going to learn the new chapter. We will discussing about straight motion, but for today, in this week, the first meeting in our class, we will discussing about the quantities in straight motion and the characteristic of uniform straight motion and the chain uniform straight motion. Okay. In our daily life, everything that we can do, everything that we do is gonna be a definition of emotion, like writing, biking, and then running, dancing, and even walking, and like leaf fall from the trees. Everything of that is definition of motion. So what all of you do you think about motion? That's right. Motion is the change position of an object from a certain point to a point that we call it as a reference. And what do you think about quantities that we can really we can usually use in these discussions? That's right. There are five quantities of motion from the motion. The first one is position. Like I have an illustration. Andy from home, he went to buy an apple to the traditional market. The position from the home when Andy is gonna arrive to the traditional market, Andy already far enough, and from the reference point of the traditional market, Andy is near. So what is position? Position is vector quantities that reference to a distance of an object from a reference point. And the second one is distance and displacement. We have to know that I have the next illustration. Molina, she is walking to the left 3 meters, and then she walk again to the right 3 meters from that certain point. What do you think about the distance that she's have walking? That's right. It's about 5 meters because 3 meters to the right and then 2 meters to the left. We're just gonna add up the length of the distance, of the position, maybe, yes. And what about the displacement? That's right, the displacement is 1 meter. Why is that? Because in displacement we have to see about the direction. So 3 meters to the right and 2 meters to the left, so we have just to add up, so it's just 1 meter. And then the third one is speed and velocity. Does anyone know what the difference about speed and velocity? That's right, speed is a scalar quantity, so the scalar doesn't have a direction, it just have a magnitude. And the second one is velocity. The velocity is a vector quantity, so vector have a magnitude and then a direction to a certain point. And two of them is, we have the equation for two of them is v equals s per t. V is velocity and then s for a distance per t time. So, and then the last one is acceleration. What do you think about acceleration? I think any of the, an object doesn't have the velocity that is same, or regular velocity. An object of course has a different velocity. It may be a faster or maybe slower velocity. So what do you think about acceleration? And the last one is acceleration. I think any object in this in this whole of galaxy doesn't just have the same velocity. It's gonna have the changing velocity, that it may be slower or maybe faster. So the definition of the acceleration is must be the change of the velocity in a certain time, and we can call it in the equation for a equals to v per t. For the a is acceleration, v for velocity, and t as time. Okay, that all of the quantities that we may usually meet in this discussion. And the second one, we will discussing about a characteristic of uniform straight motion. Okay, all of you already see a train, right? Nah, a train is always speeding in the right. The rail is not gonna like, what is this? Go to the right, go to the left. It's gonna be like a straight, right? With a constant speed. It's not gonna be a speed that much faster. It's not gonna be that. It will be like with a certain velocity that always constant. So what do you think about straight motion? the straight motion is the motion that have a constant velocity in a straight line. Okay, so the velocity must be 0. So the velocity is constant, and from the constant velocity we have a acceleration that it have a 0 magnitude. And for the second one is uniform change straight motion. What do you think about uniform change of straight motion? The uniform change straight motion is the motion that move in the straight line with a change of velocity and in a certain time. Okay, so the acceleration is constant, the speed is changed regularly. And so that's all the quantity of straight motion, and then a uniform straight motion and uniform change of straight motion. And before that, can any one of you give some summary from that we already learned today? Yes. So the quantities of in straight motion is a position, and then displacement and distance, velocity and speed, and the last one is acceleration. And motion is the change position of an object from a certain point to a point that we call it as a reference. And then the difference about the velocity and speed is about scalar and vector quantities. And for the uniform straight motion, it's the velocity is constant and the acceleration is 0. And for the change for the uniform change straight motion, the acceleration is constant and the speed is regularly changed. Okay, that's all. And for the today meeting, I think we already have enough for today class. Let's we say hamdalah, alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. And for today, for tomorrow, I hope you for the next meeting, I hope all of you already already read about the graphic for uniform straight motion and uniform change of straight motion. Okay, I will check the assessment for the next meeting, and then for today class we are gonna ending it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.